And we're live again with yours truly,
Hello, everyone. Or hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody. This is Scott and Laura.
Laura, yay, from Extraordinary Adventures. And we are in the MSC Seashore Yacht Club. And today we thought we would...
Fancy people.
We thought we'd do a room tour of our room. So we're in 18036, which is a deluxe balcony suite. Yep. I think that's what they call it.
Something like that, yeah.
Deluxe balcony suite. And so if you are in the Yacht Club, you can enter your room one of two ways. The first way is just with your key card, and the second way is with the bracelet. Everyone who is in the Yacht Club gets a bracelet to wear. And so
before you go in, I just wanted to quickly point out, because I'm not going to do this from the inside.
Oh, yeah.
This right here. So currently I have my key card in the slot, which we'll show you in a minute, and that's giving them the red light. I also have the do not disturb sign on, so that what Laura was getting ready, the gentleman who does our room, that's that. And the other one will tell him that it's like wanting to be cleaned or something like that. So it's different signals. So you don't put little placards on your handle anymore.
Right. Yeah. You don't tell them, hey, I want my room made up, like with a little. There's a button for it on the inside. Yeah.
Entrez-vous. Is that how you say that in French? I don't know. Ich spreche Deutsch. Yo hablo español, pero no francés.
Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. Hey, well, welcome to our room.
Okay, just quickly.
Yeah.
This was what I was talking about outside before Laura gets to the main tour.
Yeah.
That's the do not disturb and the make up the room, etc. And this is the key that you have to put in your slot to make it work.
So if you don't put the key in, you won't get electricity. And
yes. So if you have a clock like Laura likes to have, the clock turns off when you leave the room.
Right. So every time we come in the room, I have to reset the time. Otherwise...
Well, you gave up, right? You just do it at night now before you
I do
sleep?
it at night, yeah.
All right, so let me come in and get her on this. Do you want to do patio? Or we'll
start with the down here.
I call it patio, like a old Long Island guy. Anyway, balcony.
Okay, so first, you have a full-length mirror right here, which is neato. And there's a glass countertop there so you can put some stuff. But I like it so I can check myself out in the mirror.
Last thing before you leave.
Yeah.
Am I looking snazzy?
Yeah, exactly. And then over here we have closets. I'm gonna say I don't feel like they gave me enough hangers. Like I had to.
I think overall the closet space is a little limiting.
It's
if this is a deluxe suite versus what Seabourn had with the whole walk-in closet, plus what I had on Mariner, which is a very old ship, was huge.
I agree on that.
Independence, not Mariner, sorry.
Yeah.
There's a little bit light on the storage.
I agree. I feel like they could have given us a little bit more storage and definitely more hangers. I mean, there is more storage down.
But there's no more hangers in that one.
But there's no more hangers, so. Okay. And then we have our cappuccino.
I thought you were going to go to the bathroom, but yeah.
Oh, I can.
No, do bathroom.
No. We have our cappuccino maker here.
Which we haven't used.
Which we have not used. And more storage down there. Water bottle. They've been so good about.
Oh my God. So much better than, I hate to knock Seabourn's the girls. They were wonderful people. But these, we couldn't get them to give us water.
I know. And our room stewards here are just
amazing.
Been amazing.
And there's water there. And then there's also Pana and Pellegrino there. It's just water galore.
Yeah.
So it's pretty awesome.
And every day they bring us a little snacky. And it changes. Yesterday it was cookies. Today it's a little sandwich.
And the prosciutto and cheese. And they had some pastries. Yeah, it's nice.
It's been great.
Little touch.
So obviously this is your desk area.
Plenty of room.
With drawers here. And that's where you would find your hair dryer. But I brought my own. But
and then
I'm
we
very
get to
picky.
The big
knock.
Boom. That's all you get.
That's your only plug for the entire room, your only outlet.
One out.
Yeah.
Fortunately, I got one of these guys, which if we were savvy YouTubers, we'd have a link in our comments to where you could buy one so we could get paid.
Right?
The only other thing that you get is only on one side of the bed do you get a second USB. There's nothing in the, oh, well, maybe there's something here. Nope. And then Laura, who gets that side of the bed.
I got shafted.
She gets nothing.
There's nothing.
I mean, it's a brand new ship. This thing's not even a year old. So they knew that people have technology.
Yeah.
So that's kind of a ding.
So I'm one of those people, it's like, the 5 things that you would bring on a ship that you might not think about. Like, number 1 for me is a clock. Like, when I wake up in the morning, I have to know what time it is. I just have to. Or even in the middle of the night, especially with the blackout curtains. I just need to know what time it is. So...
clearly number 2 is one of these doohickeys.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, they do not allow you to have a surge protector. It's something to do with the system and the electronics. But you can have extension cords, and you can have multi-plug type things like this. So you definitely want to get, this one has, it's like Anchor or something, yeah. And it's got the USB type stuff, so definitely get yourself one of those.
I agree.
Because you're going to need it.
Yeah.
You're going to need it in this day and age with all the gadgets.
Absolutely. So down here is our mini bar.
Other side. You did that.
Yeah,
You just did that.
I always do it. I expect it to open the other way. I don't know why, but...
And he's been awesome at getting me my fresh squeezed every day, but the refrigerator's not keeping things cold, so I'm probably going to get poisoned and die.
You're not going to poisoned and die.
We had maintenance come out, which, is just a little bit of a ding. They said, oh, that's as cold as it gets. I'm like, everything's warm. So
Everything is warm.
Whatever.
So, and again, when you first... go into the yacht club, they ask you to fill out on the computer before you even get on the ship.
Oh, yeah.
Your preferences, like what kind of pillows you want. They give you a choice of pillows, and they give you a choice of like liquor, and you can fill out. And again, for some reason, I don't know why, none of our options were here upon arrival. So
yeah, that happened on Seabourn too.
It happened. I don't understand why.
I don't know why it keeps happening.
So today is, yesterday, day 3, the liquor showed up, and then we asked about the
And you only
pillow.
get one. So that's another small ding, not really. Because honestly, you don't drink in the room much.
No,
It's a bar
no.
like 10 feet away. But Seabourn gave you one each. So
Yeah.
I had a scotch, and she had a gin.
Gin, because
which is
I like
nice.
gin, and Scott likes scotch.
And I'm just saying, this ain't no $3.99 stateroom. This is not a cheap stateroom.
No,
so
it's not.
Another $30 bottle of something?
Well,
I don't know.
Whatever, it's fine. But they did have a nice champagne welcome upon
They
arrival,
did.
which was
There's a
nice.
bucket down there.
Yeah. And then this is
And by the way, these are not other outlets. This is that foreign stuff for
foreigners.
foreigners. Yeah, I guess that's the only way to say it. Foreign stuff for foreigners.
And then you have the robes which you can wear, and then some more closet space. Well, drawers. Yeah.
Safe that I always use. I love.
Yeah. And then we'll get to the balcony. So the balcony is ample size, but I kind of wish that there was like a table or something, or loungers.
Wait till you see the size of this thing, and then
it's
they give you
really
2 chairs.
large.
Like they could have easily fit a lounger and a table.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to have breakfast out here.
That's what I really kind of feel like it's lacking is
Furniture.
furniture. Yeah, I agree. It's a really nice space. We've really
Massive.
enjoyed our time out here, but I kind of wish that they had more
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. By the way, we're filming this today in the Dominican Republic. So here's Puerto Plata for you to see. Beautiful day. It's hot today, but sunshine, great weather. Anyway, that's Puerto Plata.
Yes.
Not part of the room tour.
Haha.
Good distraction, though. Nice couch. We don't know if it folds out. I'm not sure if it's...
I don't know if it folds out, but again, I'm missing a table. Like if we ordered room service, we did for breakfast, and there was no
you're
proper
kinda sitting
table
weird. Yeah.
to eat breakfast. So I kind of wish.
And this MSC, this makes no sense. Why have this wall here? I want to be able to see out as much window as possible. And you're cutting, like that is nothing. That's just wall. And then this over here, I don't know, you have all the space. Why isn't that a window?
I don't know.
Even Carnival made that a window.
Yeah.
Carnival's got to figure it out.
I don't know.
I'm just saying.
I don't know.
Anywho,
And then you have
bed's super comfortable.
the bed is great. The
Pillows
bed's
are
very
good.
comfortable.
Plenty
Yeah.
of little lights and place for underneath for your luggage as always.
Exactly. Yep. All right, and then let's get to the
The favorite part of every tour.
bathroom.
The pooper.
the pooper. So it's a pretty, I mean...
It's no Seabourn, but it's better than most bathrooms we've ever
It's a nice size.
Yeah.
The shower is very large. What I like the most about the shower is it has a sitting area, so you can sit and get ready in the shower.
Well, it also has...
Oh, the rain shower.
Yeah, I love that.
I haven't used it.
I love it. I love
Yeah.
it. You just get that drenching feeling.
Yeah.
At least the shelf on Seabourn didn't even have that, or they had a small one or whatever. I was complaining about
very
the shelf.
small one.
Let's put our junk on there.
Well,
but
I mean, but I
we got
ended up
plenty of room.
using, because of the shelf.
And I do actually like the shampoo and conditioner, which I never use.
Oh, you've been using it?
Ooh.
Wow, very nice. So I wish that they had two
Shelves.
sinks.
I'm coming.
I wish they had two sinks, but they only have one.
Yeah.
But it's nice. You don't hit yourself.
Nope, plenty of toilet paper. If you ever need toilet paper, like if we ever have a COVID scare again, and you need toilet paper, come on MSC.
And steal it.
Steal the toilet paper. Get one of these two hickeys.
Yeah,
so you can
magnifying.
look at your eyeballs or whatever you people do with those things.
It's adjustable. But
Cooper's good.
yeah,
Floor's good.
it's good.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. She's right. The Seabourn was a bit bigger. Then they wasted part of that space with the stupid tub, which I don't understand.
but it had
then
the
their
nice-
shower was too small.
The shower was too small,
Made
but
no
they had a
sense.
nice walk-in closet.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's missing in this room. And the table, and then the outside chairs and
But
stuff.
what they did on that one is they went longer instead of here they did wider. You see this massive space?
This is nice and wide.
like this. Like it was like that much space on Seabourn. I don't know why they did long.
Yeah.
But
Now, I like the wider aspect. I just wish that they had a table and some chairs out there and the walk-in closet. But
overall,
other than
very
that,
comfortable room.
it's a great room.
We're
I love
happy.
it. Yeah, absolutely.
It's the kind of room like if you were doing a 1 month, it's ample big for a 1 month. So you were saying like I don't know if I could do blank if I did
I would need more hangers. I'd need more hangers. Yeah. But it's all good.
TV we don't use, so we can't comment on it. We do the muster, and that's all we do on the
Yep.
TV. So
That's
all right,
it.
I think that's the
Yeah.
room tour for now, and
Yeah.
then don't forget to see us on the ship tour
Yes.
and the review. And
Yes.
Laura wants to do a special tour of just the yacht club areas for everybody. So.
Yes.
And you know what we didn't say at 3 minutes in?
Like and subscribe with the notification bell on.
And share
please.
and tell all your friends and
Yeah.
do all those wonderful things. But Laura will do the editing and put a little bing. It's
I
3
will.
minutes in, so.
That's okay.
And also, by the way, don't forget, we have the other MSC Mirabilia tours that we did 7-8 months ago.
We did.
And Laura can put a link in to the we did room tour. Like we did all the same things: room tour, ship tour,
Yeah,
review.
we did all that.
So
I
we'll be
look
able to
much
get-
nicer now.
Well, we're getting better at this.
Well, I did my hair and my
Yeah,
makeup.
we
and
were
stuff.
schlubby. We were wearing Harley shirts, and we didn't really know that the channel was going to be something.
That's okay.
Anyway, bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.